Breaking news. Philippine air power enters a new era. At Clark Air Base, anticipation hung thick in the air, soon to be shattered by the roar of jet engines. This was no ordinary day. Today marked a monumental shift for the Philippine Air Force. Sleek FA-50 jets lined the tarmac, hiding a revolutionary secret beneath their familiar exteriors. This wasn't just about new hardware. It was about the birth of a true multi-role fighter for a nation guarding some of the world's most contested waters. The crowd of dignitaries and military officials sensed history in the making. For years, the Air Force had worked to modernize, and the FA-50 was just the beginning. Now, the newly designated Block 70 jets signaled a transformation, no longer just trainers, but formidable defenders. The first pilot, callsign Viper, gave a thumbs up, the canopy sliding shut with a hiss. Engines roared to life, jets taxiing with purpose to the runway. This was more than ceremony. It was a public unveiling of a capability that would redefine the nation's defense. As the first Block 70 thundered skyward, it symbolized strategic foresight and a commitment to sovereignty. No longer limited to close-range combat, these jets could now see and strike far beyond the horizon. The afterburner's roar echoed across Pampanga, a new sky guardian, unleashed and ready for the 21st century. The Philippines had arrived as a serious contender in the aerial chessboard of Asia. The Philippine Air Force's journey with the FA-50 has been one of steady progress. The arrival of the FA-50PH jets was a leap over the aging F-5s, restoring supersonic capability after a decade. They proved their worth in combat, but their main limitation was always radar and short-range missiles. Enter the FA-50 Block 70, a fundamental reimagining, not just an upgrade. The centerpiece, a brand new radar system, unlocking true beyond visual range combat. This elevates the FA-50 from a supporting player to a frontline asset, now capable of missions once reserved for heavier fighters. Defensive counter-air, long-range patrols, and early interception are now possible. Pilots must adapt to a new world of data-driven, long-range combat. The Block 70 is more than a better jet. It's a catalyst for evolving doctrine and mindset. The Philippines now stands on more equal footing with its neighbors, fielding a cost-effective platform that punches above its weight. The archipelago's airspace is guarded with newfound confidence and power. At the core of the FA-50 Block 70's transformation is the Raytheon PhantomStrike AESA radar. Upgrading from a mechanical radar to AESA is like trading a flashlight for a digital camera with zoom. PhantomStrike uses hundreds of modules to steer beams electronically, scanning, tracking, and jamming all at once. If some modules fail, the radar keeps working, unlike older systems. This leap gives the FA-50 unprecedented situational awareness and resilience. Most importantly, PhantomStrike enables true beyond visual range combat, guiding missiles like the AIM-120 AMRAAM to targets the pilot can't see. The FA-50 becomes a proactive hunter, not just a reactive defender. Modern air combat is about seeing first, shooting first, and vanishing before the enemy knows you're there. With PhantomStrike, the Philippine Air Force adopts a new philosophy: information dominance and long-range lethality. PhantomStrike is engineered for platforms like the FA-50, where size and weight matter. Its revolutionary air-cooled design eliminates the need for heavy liquid cooling, keeping the jet agile. Weighing under 150 pounds, it delivers F-16 level AESA performance in a compact package. Its digital beam forming allows precise targeting or wide area scanning, and it's highly resistant to jamming. PhantomStrike can even act as a high bandwidth data link, sharing sensor data with other aircraft. The radar's gallium nitride modules are more powerful and efficient, enabling long-range detection. This combination of clever cooling, lightweight design, and cutting-edge tech makes PhantomStrike the perfect fit for the FA-50. The upgrade enhances combat power without sacrificing performance. The FA-50 is now a truly modern fighter, ready for the demands of 21st century warfare. With PhantomStrike, the FA-50's role has radically transformed. Once seen as a trainer or light attacker, it's now a credible interceptor and multi-role fighter. The Block 70 can patrol vast airspace, classify targets, and engage threats with beyond visual range missiles. This shift enables a layered, proactive defense. intercepting threats before they reach sensitive areas. The radar's high-resolution ground mapping also empowers maritime strike, detecting and targeting ships from afar. Armed with anti-ship missiles, the FA-50 becomes a key tool for sea lane control and maritime security. Its flexibility is invaluable for a small fleet. One jet can train, fight for air superiority, or strike at sea. Every FA-50 is now a versatile strategic asset. The platform has evolved from a stepping stone to a cost-effective, deadly combatant. The journey to equip the FA-50s with PhantomStrike began in late 2023, with the first systems delivered to Korea Aerospace Industries. Integration is a complex process. Hardware and software must work seamlessly together. After lab and ground tests, flight testing began in mid-2024, pushing the system to its limits. Test pilots verify detection range, multi-target tracking, and resistance to jamming. A live-fire test with an AIM-120 missile will mark the system as combat-ready. Once validated, upgrade kits and teams will head to the Philippines, rapidly modernizing the fleet and training local crews. Raytheon's PhantomStrike won a fierce competition for the FA-50's radar upgrade. Its air-cooled gallium nitride-based design was a game-changer. No heavy liquid cooling, easier integration, and lower costs. For the Philippine Air Force, this meant top-tier capability without the price or maintenance burden of more complex systems. Deep ties with the U.S. defense ecosystem, simplified integration of U.S.-made weapons like the AIM-120 AMRAAM. PhantomStrike's software-defined architecture allows for future upgrades, keeping the FA-50 relevant for decades. The radar's low-risk integration and seamless weapons compatibility made it the logical choice. KAI and the Philippines ensured a smooth path to advanced capability, avoiding technical and political hurdles. PhantomStrike's selection positions the FA-50 as a premier global light fighter. It's a strategic win for both the Philippines and the entire FA-50 platform. PhantomStrike gives the Philippine Air Force a decisive operational edge. Pilots now have a god's-eye view, scanning vast distances, tracking dozens of targets, and reacting faster than ever. Early detection means more time to plan and act, boosting survivability and lethality. The AIM-120 AMRAAM enables standoff engagements, enforcing air sovereignty and deterring aggression. Adversaries must now assume any unidentified aircraft could be an FA-50 Block 70, ready to strike from over the horizon. The radar's advanced mapping modes provide powerful intelligence and surveillance, monitoring the West Philippine Sea day or night. The FA-50 becomes not just a fighter, but a guardian and watchman. PhantomStrike's software-defined nature ensures future upgrades and adaptability. This upgrade secures a long-term, credible air defense for the nation. The Philippines' adoption of PhantomStrike-equipped FA-50s sends ripples worldwide. It validates the FA-50 as a cost-effective, multi-role fighter, making it attractive to other nations. Countries like Poland and Malaysia are watching closely, seeing the Block 70 as the new benchmark. The FA-50 now offers near 4.5 generation capabilities at a fraction of the cost. The Philippines' move sets a new standard, proving that smart upgrades can elevate a platform to top-tier status. The roar of these jets over Clark Air Base signals a new force in the global fighter market.